By now, you should be comfortable adding Ionic tags into a page, but we haven't created a new page from scratch yet. We'll tackle that now by creating what will arguably be the most complicated page in the application. Back in the code editor, or at the terminal, your choice, create a new file in the Pages folder called roster.tsx. Inside this file, we'll start by creating the simplest page we could possibly imagine. In any page we create, we first have to import the React namespace from the React library. Next, we need a new functional component, React.fc for short, called roster to represent the page. A functional component must return some markup, so for now we'll just return a paragraph. Then, in order for React to be able to render the page, it needs to be exported, which we do with the export default roster line. Now, any other module can import the roster component. If you're thinking that this will enable the roster page to render when you click the link on the home page, it won't. We need to import it into the app and provide a route. Open app.tsx. We saw this in our guided tour in the last chapter. The routing in this app is a lot simpler than we saw before, and for me, simpler is better. Let's add a new route by adding another route tag after the /home route. The path should be /roster. The component should be roster. Make sure that the roster component gets imported at the top of the file, and set exact to true. Now, anytime we request the roster route, the roster page will be rendered. Save the file and give it a try. The link now works. It isn't much of a page, but we'll fix that in a little bit.